Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can create this kind of pros and cons comparison table for your WordPress website. Firstly, I am going to my dashboard and I need to install a plugin. So I am going to add new plugin option. After that, I have to search here with affiliate X Amazon affiliate plugin. This is the plugin. We need to install this plugin. As already I installed and activated this plugin. Now I am going to my all post section. I will edit this exist post and I will add that pros and cons table on this post. I will add table here. Now I have to click on this plus add block icon. After clicking here, search with affiliate. After writing affiliate X, you will get this block, affiliate X pros and cons. Just select this block and by default you will get this design. But if you want to change this design, if you don't like this design, just come to the right side layout settings and click the right arrow. This is the layout 1. If you select layout 2, it will be like this. You see there has a little bit space. If I select again layout 1, you see there has no space. Layout 2, little bit space. Layout 3, completely different design. And layout 4, it's another design. So which one you like, you can use that layout. I want to use this layout 3 design. And in the left side you should write your pros. For example, pros 1. If you give enter, another line will create with this tick sign. Pros 2, enter. Pros 3. And right side you can add cons 1, cons 2. That's the things. It's very simple. And by default this table align is none. If you want, you can make it left, center, right, whatever you need. Now I will guide you all of the settings for this pros and cons table. For this you have to click on the table anywhere. After that, top of this bar you have to click here. It will select the full table. After that, come to the right side, you will get the block settings. These block settings, that means this table already selected perfectly and I can use all of the settings from here. As I already explained the layout settings, so I am not going that settings. Come to the general settings. If I click on this arrow icon, pros and cons heading tag, I mean these cons and pros heading tags mark as a paragraph, but if you wish you can mark it as a heading 2, heading 3, heading 4 as per you need. And there has no box shadow. If you want, you can make enable box shadow, then box shadow will display. And title alignment is align center. You can make it align left, then title will go to the left. You can make it align right, but align center is perfect. Next option is content alignment. By default they are left align content. If I make align center, you see content alignment is center, but best practice is content align left. Next is pros settings. Now come to one by one of the pros settings. Content style, by default they gave the list style. It's the best practice, but if you wish you can make it paragraph style, then it will be like paragraph. There has no icon if you make the paragraph. But again I say list style is the best style. List type unordered. If you wish you can make it ordered, then it will display like 1 2 3, but unordered still is perfect. And unordered type, it's show icon, it's showing a icon here. But if you wish you can make the show bullet, then it will display the bullet here. Icon is the best. And pros heading title, what text you want to display, you can mention it from here. You can write good, then it will display good here, but prose is the standard. Next option is enable prose title icon. By default it's enabled, but if you wish you can disable it. It will disappear from here. Again, enable prose title icon is the best practice. Even if you wish, you can change the icon from here. Just select which icon you like. You can use that icon. Come to the next option is the icon size. By default, it's 18 pixel, but if you wish, you can make it smaller or bigger. Next option is cons settings. It's all of the same things for the pros settings, so you can go one by one. You can easily understand. Come to the border settings. Pros title border. It's talking about this title border. By default it's white, but you can change it to red. You see it's changed. I think white is the perfect. And pros content border, that means it's talking about this border. It's green. If you need to change, you can change. Cons title border is talking about this. And cons content border, all of the border right side there has an option. You can select it like dashed border, solid border, as you want. You can change. Next is title border width. By default it's 4 pixel. You can change it from here. Next, come to the title border radius. Talking about this radius, it's 50, but if you wish you can make it 10. Then you see it will be like this. If you make the bottom 10, it will like this. So you can customize it just changing the value. I am again making it as previous. It was 50 pixel border radius, then it's showing the round border. Content border width, it means this width. It's 4 pixel. I think it's the perfect, but still if you think you need to change, you can change it from here. Content border radius, there has no radius. If you wish, you can add the radius from here. And come to the color option. Title color, you can change from here. Content color, check mark color. Left all of the color for the pros feature, and right color is for the cons. If you hover on the color, you see there has a tooltip pros title color. It's showing cons title color. So just go the one by one and you can easily understand which option making what change. Now come to the pros background color. That means this pros background color, if you want to change, you can change it from here. Pros list background type, this color means this box color background. You can change it from here. Cons background type same is the cons background. Then the cons list background, it means this background. Even they added solid color for all of the feature, but in the right side there has a gradient color option for all. If you wish, you can add the gradient color. Next option is the typography. If I open the typography settings, we have title typography settings here and the list typography settings here. For the title typography and list, they got the default font family. If you wish, you can change the font family from here. This title font will change. And for the next, if I change content typography font family from here, it will change here. In the right side, there has font size. For the title, it's 20 pixel and the content is 18 pixel. If you want to change, just click and you can increase or decrease the font size. You can add the line height, you can add the letter spacing. It's the same for title and content typography. Come to the next option, it's spacing settings. If I click on this right arrow, first option is content margin. If I need to add the content margin, I can add from here. Next is content padding. After that, margin and padding. So if you need those things, you can use from here. And next is the final option is the advanced. If we need to add the custom CSS for this table or more customization if we want, you can add CSS, and here we can add the CSS class. I believe after watching this tutorial, you can use any of this table from here. and I explained all of the things very easily. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video.